Hello guys, my name is Galtis and I am owner of company BestContentHosting.com, and I am very glad to offer you our holiday offer. What this mean? That means firstly you can try any of our hosting plan 1 month free. We have more hosting plans. We have free Linux hosting plan. We have one WordPress hosting plan, and we have some Windows hosting plan. You can find all information about this plan. And if you will try any of hosting plan till 50 March of 2023, you will be able to get any hosting plan for €10 for whole year. And if you will buy one hosting plan for €10 for year, you will get one more the same plan for yourself or for your friend or colleagues or something that is our offer, and you can start using it now. Only when you will start trying any hosting plan one month free, you will be need enter your payment details, because without payment details hosting system cannot create this free hosting for you. Okay, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and yes, bestcontent.com, and we will waiting you, and we will support you 24 hours, 7 days. Okay, we will waiting you.